Welcome. Today's video is going to be a guide on how to set up holiday messages on your listings using AdLister. Going on holiday. Want your customers to be notified about it? Then all you need to do is set up a holiday message. These messages appear on your listings and can contain any text that you desire. An example, seller is on holiday, will ship items starting from the 10th of August. In order to set this up, you'll need to navigate to Settings and then Holiday Settings. Tick the Enable Vacation Mode tick box and specify the time frame of the holiday. Then also tick the Display Message tick box and input the message you'd like to display to customers, and once done, press Save. AdLister will automatically send these options to eBay, and your listings will display the message you've saved until you'll return. And on a side note, if you're wondering about the product's dispatch time and the need to adjust these, then worry not, as the dispatch times of your products will be automatically adjusted based on the date of return that you've set up earlier. For example, if you leave on holiday on the 1st of August and return on the 10th, AdLister will automatically adjust your dispatch times, and as such, if a product is ordered on the 6th of August, it will dispatch on the 10th if the product was originally set as a same-day delivery. However, if a dispatch time was set as 3 days, and then the product is ordered on the 6th of August, it will dispatch on the 13th of August. That about covers holiday messages. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to add holiday messages on your listings with AdLister. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.